You're going to have to go back in the garage now. I have a garage delivery, and who steps out of the garage was a chicken. It's just one single chicken. Go on, gotta go back in. Sorry, little guy. Gotta go back in your little nest. There you go. Be good. No, don't go outside. Don't go outside. No. Go. Stay. Yes, stay. Oh, thank God. I'm at war with the chicken right now. You have to stay in the house, Mr. Chicken Man. You cannot go outside. No, why? Why? Okay, you know what? You're going to be patient for the game. Go on. No! Stop following me outside! You stop! Got him! Yes.
What are you doing?
Good job.